Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. Here is the atmospheric river that is hugging up along the coastline right now. So as we take a closer look, obviously the heaviest rainfalls in Curry County, but this is slowly but surely making its way into Josephine County. We'll continue to track the eastward progression throughout the rest of the morning. In fact, let's go ahead and show you that with Stormcast. And by the time we get to lunchtime, now this is easily into portions of Klamath County. But you notice that the intensity with this is a little bit less, and that trend will continue throughout the rest of today. And by the time we get to 5 p.m., just a few light showers remaining, definitely not the atmospheric river that it was for this morning. And then by the time we get to midnight, it's looking like all of us are going to be dry. Clouds will start to clear out a bit, especially inland, but along the coast we'll continue to have some pretty thick marine layer clouds and some fog. Here are some of the rainfall projections we're expecting from this morning through tonight, and it's going to be the coast and the Cascades that will receive the bulk of this moisture, upwards of maybe half an inch to an inch and a half. Definitely a lot less for the Rogue Valley and especially for the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. So the coastal ranges and the inland ranges are going to eat up a lot of this moisture. But regardless of that, for today we will have widespread wet weather, and it's going to be pretty blustery on top of that as winds are going to gust out of the south and southwest between 25 to 40 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being up in the Cascades. Temperatures today pretty comfortable. They'll be in the 60s, and then for tonight they'll drop down into the mid 30s to the east of the Cascades, near 50 for west side valleys, low 50s along the coast in Curry County, where again we'll continue to deal with some pretty thick clouds and some marine layer fog. Will be much drier as we head into Tuesday. In fact, we'll have a pretty decent amount of sunshine. We'll keep it very dry through Friday. Small shower chances starting to come back into the picture for Saturday and Sunday. But I think this week, the big story once we get past today is easily going to be the temperatures topping out in the low to mid 80s within the Rogue Valley. And so that'll place us about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. So feeling very summer-like after what's going to end up being a pretty fall-like start to this week. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms likely for today, and then drying out for Tuesday through Friday, and then more shower chances starting to come back into the picture for Saturday and Sunday. Showers likely for today in Siskiyou County, and then much drier and a little bit warmer for Tuesday, then obviously much warmer for that Wednesday through Friday time span. And then for the basin, showers likely for today, looking pretty dry up until Sunday. That's when another chance for showers will come back around. Then for the Cascades, we're looking at rain likely for today. Again, we could get between half an inch to an inch of rain falling through this morning, or from this morning through this evening. Much drier for Tuesday through Friday, more shower chances coming back into the forecast for Saturday and Sunday. Then for the Rogue Valley, rain looking likely for today, so a very fall-like start to the week, but starting to feel summer-like again for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before temperatures start trending back down over the weekend.